जब तक मीटिंग नहीं होता मैं कोई
We can only say this.
Look by this. Please sign for me. The indigenous people of Tripura have suffered enough, and we are not here to ask for personal posts and positions. We want a constitutional solution on our demand for Greater Tripura land from the Government of India. If the Government of India wants to settle it, they can do it. If they don't want to settle it, then we have been agitating for such a long time, and we'll continue agitation.
But as you said, we don't want to be like the Naga Beast of Wood, which is taking place so long. So when can this solution, how long will
people lose the patience, then the Government of India has to handle it. So we are all children of India, and the Government of India should treat us equally. Tripura has made immense sacrifice. The indigenous people have made a lot of sacrifice. We want to look ahead, but if they have to look ahead, then they have to treat us as equal partners, the community, not the politicians. And if they look down upon us and they don't take us seriously, then the Government of India will have to contend with a lot of turmoil and problems in the days to come. So I would urge upon the Government of India that to use their wisdom, their knowledge, and bring a permanent solution to the genuine demands of the indigenous people of India. See, you can win all the matches and lose in the finals. So I don't believe in semi-finals and finals anymore. Second, people who thought that media mocked me that Mishra is not coming. Senior journalists, so-called intellectuals mocked me that A.K. Mishra will not come. Who is A.K. Mishra? But he's come here. You've seen him with your own eyes. So eventually to those so-called intellectuals who claim to be torchbearers of the Tripura society, I think truth always wins. मैं सत्य के रास्ते में हूँ, आई नो, मैंने सच बोला था और आज सच्चाई सामने आ गई. नाउ दोज पीपल जिनको सोल्यूशन नहीं चाहिए, जिनको दुकान बनाकर तिपरासा को एक्सप्लॉइट करना है, वो बोलते रहेंगे. मेरा काम है तिपरासा को कुछ देना, एंड दैट इज़ व्हाट आई विल डू. अगर मैं ये अपना लाइन में चलते रहूँ, if I am committed to my community, I will be able to achieve something. If I become like other politicians, ask for this post, that post, some funds here, then in the end I will also fall prey to the other, what's happened to the other politicians. So I'm very clear, and believe me, I am fighting with God on my side. I am fighting with truth in my mind, and I know that one day I will win, and I will win because the poor Tiprasas in villages, they love me and they have hope that I will not disappoint them. Thank you.
Thanks.
हमने अपना जो बात रखा था हमने रख दिया उनके सामने. हमने अपने इशू में कोई डिमांड को भी डाइल्यूट नहीं किया है. जो हमारा पुराना इशू है वही इशू हमने रखा है सामने, ग्रेटर तिप्रालैंड का. अब गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया को कम बैक करना है कि उनके व्यू में हमारे तिप्रासा का भविष्य के लिए क्या सोल्यूशन वो रख सकते हैं. तो हमने अपना पॉइंट रख दिया है, उन्होंने सुना है. अब उनके बॉल उनके कोर्ट में.
वो क्या बोला मिस्टर सर?
वो जो भी बोलेंगे राइटिंग में देंगे. आप उनसे पूछ लीजिए उसने क्या बोला. लेकिन हमने जो भी बोला है अपने कम्युनिटी के लिए बोला है. अपने बारे एक डिमांड नहीं किया, कम्युनिटी के बारे में.
Sir, as you see the greater Tipraland, and you have also raised the issue of constitutional solution. What type of constitutional solution would be good for this?
We have asked, according to us, a separate administration and a demand for greater Tipraland is the final solution. And we have put that point across to him very clearly, and we have given our reasons. If the government of India has a better idea, then we should come back to us with a better idea in writing, and we will consider it. We are not unconsiderable people. But the fact is that much like any community which has been deprived for such a long time, it is our point of view to put up our demand which is within the constitution, and a demand for greater Tipraland is very much within the constitution of India.
So two issues, one is the Kokborok issue, has that been raised, and another is
language is inherent to our demand. When Pakistan tried to impose Urdu language to the people of East Pakistan, the Bhasha Andolan started, and that's why Pakistan also broke up into two pieces and Bangladesh was created. So it is in the people should understand that language cannot be dominated, and whether it is Kok Tiprasa, Kaubru or Kok Borok, whatever it is a language of the indigenous people, and our language should be respected, and our script and our demand for a script should also be respected.
And about the direct funding to the KTADC, that
It's all within the demand of Greater Tipraland. Anything that we have demanded, everything comes under the demand of Greater Tipraland. We don't want to go piecemeal. Our demand is very much constitutional, and we have put up a point. Now, it is up for the government of India to react and to honor what we are saying, and also to acknowledge that the indigenous people of Tripura haven't been treated with equal representation or equal justice.
सर किस के साथ मीटिंग हो रहा है आप लोग?
वो आप उनसे पूछ लीजिए. मैं तिपरा मोथा का फाउंडर होकर मैं आया हूँ हमारे साथ.
अभी जो समाजपति जो है उसके
वो आप उनसे समाजपति से पूछ लीजिए, वो ज़्यादा पता